Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Juro, one of the most advanced contract automation and contract lifecycle management platforms available in 2026. So in this video, I'll walk you through a detailed overview of what Juro is, its main features, how the pricing works, its pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on why many teams consider it the best contract software in 2026. Let's get started. At its core, Juro is an all-in-one contract automation and contract lifecycle management platform designed for modern businesses. Instead of using multiple disconnected tools like Word for drafting, email for negotiation, a signing tool for execution, and Google Drive for storage, Juro combines all of that into one centralized workspace. What makes Juro especially relevant in 2026 is that it's built around automation and AI-driven workflows. The platform is designed to reduce manual work, shorten contract turnaround time, and give teams full visibility into their contracts at every stage. Juro supports the entire contract lifecycle, including contract creation, review and negotiation, internal approvals, electronic signing, ongoing contract management, and reporting and insights. In simple terms, Juro replaces spreadsheets, shared folders, email threads, and multiple contract tools with one smart system. Now, let us talk about the main features of Juro. Smart contract templates. Juro allows you to create dynamic, reusable contract templates with built-in logic. Instead of rewriting contracts every time, your team can generate new contracts using predefined fields and clauses. This ensures consistency across contracts, fewer errors, and faster contract creation. Legal teams stay in control while business teams can move faster. AI-powered contract assistance. One of Juro's strongest features is its AI functionality. The AI can help draft contracts, summarize long agreements, extract key contract data, highlight risks and deviations, and speed up review and redlining. This significantly reduces the time it takes to review contracts and help teams make better decisions later. Automated approval workflows. With Juro, approvals don't rely on emails or reminders. You can set rules so that contracts are automatically routed to the right people based on contract value, contract type, risk level, and lots more. This keeps deals moving and eliminates delays caused by manual follow-ups. In-browser negotiation and collaboration. Instead of sending documents back and forth, all negotiation happens inside the platform. Stakeholders can comment, suggest edits, track changes, and collaborate in real time. Everything stays in one place, which improves clarity and accountability. Built-in e-signature. Juro includes native electronic signing, so there's no need to use a separate e-signature tool. Contracts can be signed securely from any device, and audit trails are automatically stored with the agreement. Centralized contract repository. Every contract is stored in a searchable, structured repository. This isn't just storage, it's a contract intelligence hub where you can track renewals, monitor obligations, analyze contract volume, and identify risks and opportunities. This gives leadership better visibility and control over contracts across the organizations. Integrations with existing tools. Juro integrates with popular tools like CRMs, productivity platforms, and automation tools. These allows teams to create and manage contracts without changing how they already work. In terms of integration, Juro integrates with lots of other platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, ChatGPT, Slack, Word, DocuSign, Zapier, Google Drive, and lots more. Now let us talk about the pricing. Juro does not have a fixed plan. Instead of a fixed plan, you can build custom pricing that's right for your business based on contract volume, the required features, the integrations, and your business size. What are the pros and cons of using Juro? First, the pros. It's very user-friendly. It has strong AI and automation capabilities. Excellent contract visibility and reporting. It reduces contract turnaround time and enables self-serve contracting for non-legal teams. It also has a strong customer support and onboarding. How about the cons? There's no public pricing, which can make budgeting harder. It may be expensive for small businesses or startups, and some advanced integrations may cost extra. So, having considered all this, is Juro the best contract software in 2026? For many organizations, yes. If you are a growing or established business that wants faster contract cycles, less manual work, strong legal oversight, AI-driven insights, and one system for the entire contract lifecycle, then Juro delivers on all fronts. That said, Juro is not designed for everyone. Smaller teams with simple needs or tight budgets may find it more than they require. And that's it with the review of Juro. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore PandaDoc, DocuSign CLM, and Ironclad. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.